To create a sloping ground, let's draw a wall with the same length as your garden. Just go to the toolbar, click Create Walls button, and start drawing a wall. You can even use the tooltip for exact dimensions. Just press Enter key and type your desired length. For example, 100 feet. Then press Enter again. Finally, press Escape. As the next step, right-click on the wall segment and select Modify Walls. In this dialog box, set the thickness to the same as the width of your garden. For example, set 100 feet here. Next, enable sloping wall. And set the height at start to 1 inch. Next, set the height at the end to the desired height. For example, 10 feet. As the final step, go to this section, select Color, click this button, and apply a solid color to the top of your wall. Once it's done, just click OK twice. This has created a wedge-shaped wall. Next, select the wall, go to the top menu, click 3D View, and select Export to OBJ format. Set a file name, and click Save. Here, select Export Selection. Once it's done, delete the original wall. Now move your cursor to the Furniture Catalog area, right-click, and select Import Furniture. In this dialog box, click Choose Model, browse for the file, select the OBJ format, and click Open. From here, keep clicking Continue to finish the import. Finally, click on Finish. As the final step, select the garden and move it into its correct position. If the magnetism tool is active, just hold down the Alt key.